Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to discuss how we can download the data from one of the most reliable online data source, which is widely known as World Development Indicator or WDI. WDI is basically the database as created by World Bank based upon various indicators and sub-indicators for almost all the world economies. So without losing any time, we have to move on. Okay, first of all, you simply need to open your Google search engine, google.com. After opening your google.com, you simply need to type indicators World Bank data. Just type indicators World Bank data and click on enter. Okay, after clicking on enter, there are various, you can say, the links which will be appeared in front of you. So the first link will be the most reliable. So you have to click on that indicators World Bank data. Just click on that. After clicking on, this window will be appeared in front of you. Now you can see that on the right side, these are basically the various main indicators or the key indicators like agriculture and rural development, aid effectiveness, climate change, economy and growth, education, and so on. So these are basically the main indicators followed by the sub indicators. For example, if you look upon the agriculture and rural development, these are basically the various sub indicators which are falling under this category. Similarly, here comes the aid effectiveness and the climate change and so on. So for example, if you guys are interested in downloading any data under the title of those indicators like economy and growth, you simply need to click on economy and growth. Afterwards, here comes, you can say, the GDP annual growth, GDP per capita, GDP current USDs. For example, I'm interested in downloading the data related to GDP per capita. Simply I will click on that. So this window will be appeared in front of you. So this graph is basically showing the trend in GDP per capita for the world economy or the whole world, starting from 1960s to 2021, the latest time duration for which the data is available. Afterward, here comes the three options: CSV, XML, and Excel download. So simply you guys need to click on your relevant option. For example, I'm interested in downloading the data for all the economies in the world in the Excel file for the GDP per capita. I will simply click on Excel. Afterwards, this Excel sheet will be downloaded. Just click on this.